Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. First of all, go to Instagram from your device. Next, tap on your profile icon from the bottom menu bar. Then, you have to go to Settings by tapping on Menu in the top right. Select Settings and Privacy. Here, scroll down and open Help. From the page that opens, tap on Help Center. Now select Manage your account. So select Delete my Instagram account. By clicking on the hyperlink Delete account here, you will get landed to a new page. Now tap on the Android app Help button. From the menu that appears, select Mobile Browser Helps or any other as per your device. Scroll down and click on Delete Account. So in the new page that opens, click on Temporarily deactivate your account. Then provide a reason as to why you want to temporarily disable your account. Then re-enter your password. In the end, click on Temporarily deactivate account. So here you see your Instagram account has been temporarily deactivated. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.